Good afternoon, Ewan. I'm Pierre Lams, founder of Hand-e-Pix. I'm here at the BlackBerry Alliance event to talk about Hand-e-Pix, our application for photo management from the mobile device for businesses. We started 7 years ago because of the explosion in the potential of mobile devices, and what's been really interesting to us is to see how the features have developed in the product to include the camera, GPS receivers, and really tools for handling and dealing with rich media. Yes, Hand-e-Pix provides mobile services to enterprises, business to business, and we've worked particularly with local government agencies, UK police forces and civil engineering companies. Yes, UK police forces have been issued with BlackBerries, and they're using Hand-e-Pix to enable the camera to capture pictures for evidential purposes. Everything from traffic accidents to graffiti and low-level crime, and even more serious incidents. Hand-e-Pix gives them the police officer the ability to send pictures back wirelessly and have them removed off the device, so they're immediately within the police network and under the management of the relevant force. West Yorkshire Police, who's been our first major police force who've deployed Hand-e-Pix, have taken the Hand-e-Pix and the images produced and used them in a court proceeding. So the Criminal Justice Service have given the blessing that a product like Hand-e-Pix that removes pictures off of the device, puts it into the network where they can be managed, time and date stamped, is offers the pictures a degree of integrity that they will accept for evidential purposes. West Yorkshire Police have effectively disabled the camera from conventional use and drive the camera through the Hand-e-Pix application. That way they keep entire control over the process, and again, no images are retained on the device, which is important for security purposes. We're working with some of the biggest civil engineering companies in the UK, companies like Skanska, Balfour Beatty, Murphy's construction. We're actually helping them with highways and road widening projects. A lot of civil engineering companies in the UK will be exposed to fines for any overruns or for being foul of the Road Traffic Management Act. In that case, Hand-e-Pix is being used to produce pictures of completed works to show that they were in the right place at the right time and they'd done works to the right standard. Yeah, Hand-e-Pix is being used by a number of local authorities in the UK, running borough council, mid-Sussex councils, and they're using the product to trap incidents of environmental crime, problems with graffiti, abandoned vehicles, fly tipping. These are the issues that affect the community and the environment that we live in, and local government agencies are collecting images of problems that then affect a more rapid clear-up. So we're helping clear up the streets of the UK a little bit more quickly with a product like Hand-e-Pix. Well, Hand-e-Pix can be contacted at www.handheld-pcs.com, and we have a product website for Hand-e-Pix, which is www.hand-e-pix, that's Pix.com, and you can see more about the product and get in touch with us there. We are working on making it available through AppWorld, so in 2010 you should be able to download the product and trial it over the BlackBerry AppWorld. There has been a recession recently, but I would say that mobile has bucked that trend. Certainly products like BlackBerry seem to go from strength to strength despite the global economy, and we're really pleased to be a BlackBerry partner and delivering applications that add value to businesses on the BlackBerry platform.
Do you recommend mobile developers who are looking to work with BlackBerry, do you recommend the Alliance program?
Very much so. We've had a lot of help and support from BlackBerry in taking the product to market. They really do employ a dynamic group of people, and they're willing to put their skin in the game, which is everything you would want from a partner. So we've had a lot of help.
I'm curious to understand your perspective. I mean, have you looked at working with any other, or do you work with any other device manufacturers? When I'm walking around the halls, BlackBerry seem to be pretty enthusiastic about how they help, and they're like, I'm just wondering if that's the reality.
Yes, in my experience, it really is the reality. They have people mobilised to help partners like Hand-e-PCs bring products like Hand-e-Pix to market, and we've really benefited from that. I would say that some of the major business we've won in the UK police forces, local government agencies and civil engineering companies have been partly because BlackBerry have helped us, along with their carrier partners. Hand-e-Pix is an application that can be run from your BlackBerry, and it enables you to utilise the camera, the GPS receiver, to take pictures, time and date stamp them and geolocate them. You can see here the application's looking for GPS, but we're inside a building today, so we're going to skip past that and go straight to the camera. The images are captured within the application and enable you to add context to the image, along with free text and comments. And then as you save it, that image, along with the contextual data, is sent back to a hosted database, or it could be a database within your company network where the images are stored so they can be searched, selected and retrieved and shared across the organisation using corporate standards like Active Directory for the management and security of those images.